Welcome to Channel English 3 months. Today, we are going to learn about new tips for improve your English speaking, listening, writing, and vocabulary. Let's start it. The benefits of learning English as a second language. As the world becomes increasingly globalized, the ability to speak English has become more and more critical. For many people, learning English is a prerequisite for getting ahead in their careers. But there are also many personal benefits to learning English as a second language. In this blog post, we'll explore some of the top reasons why you should learn English. Even if it's not your first language, by the end, you'll see that there are plenty of good reasons to start learning or continue learning. ESL. Learning English can help you get a better job in the modern global economy. Learning English can be an invaluable asset in helping you to get a better job. With a basic ability to speak and read the language, you will vastly expand your employment opportunities, unlocking positions that would otherwise be out of reach. Not only do an increasing number of companies require a working knowledge of English for potential employees, but it is also one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, giving you access to international markets. Additionally, having English skills listed on your CV can make recruiters take notice. Many multinationals and organizations look for individuals who have a good level of proficiency. If you want to demonstrate that you are capable and employable, consider learning English. It can help greatly in your attempt to secure more lucrative work. It can improve your communication skills. There is a direct correlation between the way we communicate and our overall success in life. Most of us can likely recall a time when well-chosen words resulted in better outcomes at school, work, or even in our personal lives. As such, it pays to invest in developing strong communication skills. Doing so can help you make powerful connections, construct persuasive arguments, and understand complex topics more easily before becoming proficient in any language. You must first practice communicating with clarity and brevity. The more conversational situations that one finds themselves immersed in, the quicker one's language skills will improve. Additionally, reading literature is another natural way to develop these skills. You can tailor your vocabulary by understanding diverse terminology or simply become accustomed to new phrasings that you can use in everyday speaking. The key takeaway is that communication should never be underestimated. By investing time and effort now, you will reap the rewards of an improved ability to express yourself both logically and effectively later on down the line. It can help you understand other cultures. Learning about other cultures is an invaluable part of developing a global perspective. Whether it be exploring the art and literature of another country, or attending a language class, Each experience offers us a chance to broaden our view of the world. Ultimately, it helps us build stronger relationships with those around us and challenges our perspectives on humanity itself by making us consider how we are all interconnected. Understanding other cultures is a crucial part of being able to relate with others effectively, no matter where they come from or what their professed beliefs may be. We begin to understand how different backgrounds and beliefs shape one another's opinions and open up to more diverse points of view. Additionally, it offers us an opportunity to reflect on our own values and customs. By studying another culture, we can get a better sense of where we stand in relation to other people outside our home environment. It fosters greater trust and appreciation, and ultimately empowers us all when faced with navigating differences between one another. As such, learning more about various cultures is an incredibly beneficial investment toward taking charge of one's worldview and growing more tolerant as an individual in today's ever-changing society. It can make traveling easier when it comes to traveling. Having the right equipment can make all the difference. Not only is it important to have the correct travel bag and clothing, but having the right accessories can make your trip much smoother and easier. For example, having a good quality folding umbrella can ensure that you're prepared for unexpected rainfall while out on vacation, or if you're going somewhere with slippery surfaces. A pair of good grip shoes or boots can provide added security while you explore new places. These seemingly small things might seem insignificant, but they can make a big difference in how your journey unfolds. Other items such as noise cancellation headphones or multitaskers like a combination USB charger and flashlight can help to keep all your electronic devices running smoothly and stress-free when out of town on vacation. Quality travel accessories are essential tools for making any traveling experience more convenient, manageable, and enjoyable. It can give you a competitive edge in school or college application choosing. To undertake an extracurricular activity can provide a student the all-important edge when applying for college or university and help to create a memorable impression. It shows that you have gone the extra mile, not just to get good grades, but also to develop specific interests and build character. Furthermore, by participating in co-curricular activities, you gain valuable skills such as working as part of a team, communication, problem-solving, self-discipline, and leadership skills, which may otherwise be difficult to show on paper. Employers are also attracted to students who have developed interests and actively taken up challenges. Therefore, taking part in an extracurricular activity helps provide future tangible benefits by allowing the presentation of unique abilities. not just in your educational qualifications, but also through your life experiences. Ultimately, choosing to pursue an active interest beyond academics can prove invaluable. When it comes to gaining entry into higher education or acquiring celebrated jobs, you'll be able to enjoy more TV shows, movies, and books in this time of social distancing. Many people are looking for ways to occupy their downtime. One way to ensure you won't run out of entertainment is to explore all the TV shows, movies, and books that are available. You can browse specific streaming services to find a wide variety of selections from various movie genres. Watch live TV programs from different countries and cultures, and read great works of literature from around the world. Studies have shown that reading regularly has a calming effect on the brain and is soothing for the soul. Plus, if you're looking for knowledge or enrichment, there are plenty of educational materials available as well. To ensure maximum enjoyment from your free time pursuits in this era of staying at home, expand your horizons by exploring all the amazing content out there. You'll never be bored again. Improving your English learning. English has a lot of benefits that can help you in many different aspects of your life. If you're looking to improve your job prospects, communication skills, or understanding of other cultures, learning English is a great way to do so. It can also make traveling easier and give you a competitive edge in school or college applications. Plus, you'll be able to enjoy more TV shows, movies, and books. If you're interested in learning English, contact Northwest Career College to talk about our ESL program. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Experienced, efficient, and free for students. The benefits of taking an ESL course are clear. By improving your English skills, you gain better access to education, greater earning potential, a better social life, and even better results from healthcare. We here at our trade school are committed to enhancing our students' lives, which is why we are proud to offer our ESL courses free of charge to our students and extend that offer to their families. Our seasoned language teachers have experience working with international students from all over the world and are there to help you get the most from your classes. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is useful for you, please like, comment, and share. See you next video.